Well guys, when you see that I have those shoes, that means that I'll be driving the Z or doing something with the Z. Guys, my name is Marisabel and welcome back to another video. And if you guys haven't noticed, also I arranged my garage. I'm not done, but we're like 95% done. So much better. Now I have tons of space back here. I am going to be doing a big upgrade on the Z with its brakes. So I'm going to show you the goodies I have. Sadly, I can't install it as much as I wanted to. I just feel like I'm not capable of doing it. And the last time that I did something with my tires on my Altima, I didn't tighten it. So let's not do that to this. If you guys are new here, I need to do autocross with the Z. Look at the rust from the top to the middle. And a couple weeks ago, it was actually all over the rotor right here. So that's gonna raise a concern for myself, because I'm like, that can get worse, and I haven't seen anyone drive a car like this, especially if they track it. And I'm not gonna lie, I try to clean the rust out. I mean, there's stuff made for it. Come to realize that you're not supposed to clean it, you're supposed to change it. And I don't know when was the last time the previous owner changed these stuff. So this is the one I try to clean. There you go, you guys could tell like the white right there whatsoever. Oh yeah, that looks so bad. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna show you the new one. So to autocross a car, you can do drilled, you can do slotted, you can do hybrid, but they don't recommend that, and J-hooks. J-hooks is not really necessary. Hybrid is like a no. I recommend drilled. It's more cosmetic look, can track a car just fine on blanks. I want to constantly change my brake pads. I hope these are OEM on the Z. I think so. I did get, let me show you guys real quick. So we got these are OEM big brake kit rotors for the 370. You guys can see, like, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so like black, and it's like ruster free for right now. This black coating is supposed to protect rust. I am gonna do both the front and the back. And if you guys don't know what autocross is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple clips right now. And I'm back. Okay, this time we have M2s. Last time I came, they didn't have no M2s. So there's one there, and there's a red one, I think, somewhere over there. So we're back at autocross. X class, I believe. We're gonna do a brake flush, because I don't know when was the last time a brake flush was done on the Z. When you guys buy a used car, especially from Facebook, make sure to do your maintenance regardless, because I feel like they can tell you that they did this and that, but come to find out down the road they didn't do it, and now you're costing yourself way more damage than you expected. You guys tell what this is by this right back. If you know, you know. We're gonna upgrade to these as well. Look at that. It's so bad. Like, I know it makes the car look crazy. so let's head to the shop, get all of this installed. Now I have to put everything back in the Z. Let's go do this. Oh my god, that looks so bad. So I couldn't finish the video yesterday, but it's the next day, and here's the Z. Finally finished. Did the brake lines, rotors, and brake pads and brake flush. So we're good to go. Probably my second day driving it with these new brake pads and rotors, and it definitely does feel different. It does look very different. I had an issue because the brake pads I had, which was the Hawk Performance, actually did not fit this due to the fact that the Z has big brakes. I had to go a whole different brand, and I'm gonna pop it right here on the screen. Brake pads in, and I want to see if it gets really hot, or does it depend on the temperature outside? Like, if it's hot, is it gonna get hotter, or does it depend what type of activity I'm doing? I don't know. Like I said, comment down below, like let me know if anyone has like done like these brake pads, run these rotors. Could be in neutral here, can I? Oh, that's so scary. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. Hold up. Whoa, chill out. So when I go to 5th or 6th gear, for some reason, like the whole steering wheel, like my whole car will shake crazy. I'm gonna actually go to 5th gear and 6th. Obviously I need to go to a higher speed, and we're gonna see if it like shakes. It was really badly, so I don't know if it had to do with my brakes, and we're gonna see if the car is shaking at 5th. So far it's not like crazy shaking. Yeah, I don't feel anything. I think that's a good sign. You guys hear that? That's normal after changing my brakes. Like, you guys hear it? Yeah. Hopefully it goes away in a few days. Let's see if these things got hot. It's pretty hot. Like, it's not as hot, maybe because it's not hot outside. So I realized the back gets way hotter than the front. I'm so satisfied. This is coming along pretty good. Brake upgrade. Hopefully this helps me out when I am ready to track the car. And make sure to like this video, comment down below, let me know if that's normal, and subscribe, of course, if you're new. I'll see you guys all in the next video.